friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product for review. And today's video we are going to review another product from Veeba, which is a Veeba Thousand Island Dressing. So guys, this is the Veeba Thousand Island Dressing right here with me, and this is what is the product that we are going to review in today's video. So let's get down to the review of it. So guys, starting off with the packaging, like all other sauces of Veeba, this also comes in a squeezo pack right here, squeezo bottle. Right here we can see the Veeba branding right on top. Then the name of the product, which is Thousand Island Dressing. Then an illustration of a tomato and a cucumber here. And it says made with quality ingredients and a pure vegetarian symbol. This Thousand Island Dressing is 81% fat free compared to a normal Thousand Island Dressing which is available in the market. Moving on to the back of the pack, we can see again the Veeba branding here, the pure vegetarian symbol, Thousand Island Dressing, proprietary food, emulsified sauce. Well, let's look at the ingredients of the Thousand Island Dressing. What does it contain? It contains water, refined soybean oil which is 17.5%, synthetic vinegar, sugar, cucumber is 10%, milk solids, tomato paste is 5%, emulsifiers, stabilizers, iodized salt, spices and condiments, acidity, regulators, preservatives, antioxidants and sequestrants. Shelf life on the product is 7 months from manufacture, and the net quantity is 300 grams. Guys, coming to the MRP of the product, the MRP is rupees 129 for 300 grams of the Veeba Thousand Island Dressing. Guys, the most amazing thing about the Veeba sauces I find is the amazing taste that they have and this amazing packaging that it comes in. This is a squeezo pack. It has a flip to open top right here, and you can just squeeze out the dressing easily on your salads using this bottle. And it also is a twist to open cap where you can actually open the bottle as well, and you can scoop out the dressing from the bottle as well. So quickly right now we are going to do a quick taste test of the Veeba Thousand Island Dressing. So where's my spoon? Let me get my spoon. Here's my spoon, and we are going to squeeze out a bit of the mayonnaise Thousand Island Dressing right here. Okay, I'm going to show you all how easy it is to squeeze it out. So just look at this. That easily come out. Now let's do a quick look at it, and right here you can see the color is orangish coming from the tomato paste that is in it along with the cucumber. It has this amazing orangish look to it. Consistency is nice and thick. You can see it hasn't changed shape even when I'm holding the spoon like this, even upside down. So it is nice and thick consistency, not at all watery like the other Thousand Island sauces that you ideally get. So that's what I'm trying to say. Veeba, the brand, provides for really amazing quality of product that comes in it. And right here it has an amazing aroma of the vinegar and the tomatoes. So right here we are going to do a quick taste test of the Veeba Thousand Islands Dressing. Amazing taste here, and it has a crunch of cucumber in it as well. There are bits of cucumber in it as well. It gives it that crunch. So overall taste wise, I really like the Thousand Island salad dressing right here. It goes really well with chicken salads and stuff, and macaroni salad, chicken salads, pineapple salads. All of these things will really taste well when you add some Veeba Thousand Island Dressing to it. So overall, I really like the packaging. It comes really nicely packaged in this easy to use packaging right here. This bottle is a squeezo bottle. You can easily squeeze out as much as you want of Thousand Island Dressing on the salads, and you can easily store it. It has shelf life of 7 months. The price is really affordable, 129 for 300 grams, which is amazing. Taste wise, it is just the right taste of Thousand Island Dressing that you would expect. And the best part is it is 81% fat free, right? Because they are not using refined vegetable oil, they are using refined soybean oil, which is known to be low in fat. So that's why this product is 81% fat free right here. I would definitely give the Veeba Thousand Island Dressing a 5 on 5 for its amazing taste, amazing packaging there, and the 81% fat-free factor of it as well. So guys, if you all are looking to buy the Veeba Thousand Island Dressing online, it's available on Amazon. I'll left a link in the description below. You can purchase the Veeba Thousand Island Dressing from Amazon. Guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.